His beard grew, but didn't grow as what he wanted. Today, we're going to do a smart beard hair transplant for him.
And I think having a beard looks good. But because of my genetics, I cannot grow a beard on my own. Professor Dato Dr. JasG and his team were doing the procedure for me. I was awake the whole time. It was very painless and I didn't even feel that they were doing the procedure. Here's the result of my beard transplant after 24 hours, and I felt comfortable now and everything went well. There's no graft coming out, and then the results looks very natural. So thank you GLOJAS for your effort. I would highly recommend to anyone who wants to get a beard transplant. Today is the day 7 of my beard transplant. Now when I look into the mirror, I feel more mature, more masculine and more confident. Thank you Prof. Dato Dr. JasG and his team for this amazing beard transplant. After the beard transplant procedure, my friends and family have noticed tremendous difference in my new look. They gave me compliments about it, and this greatly boosted my confidence. I'm very happy with the results, even if it is only after 5 months. I can't wait to see the results after 1 year.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm great, thanks.
Yeah, this is 7 months ago. We did a beard hair transplant. Today, he have trim his beard, looks very natural. This is the temple point. This area is the temple. As we come down here is sideburn. As you go down is the beard. And above here is a soft look approach. And as we can see, today he look more like a matured and masculine fact. The reason is this is the beard been already been trimmed. Up here sideburn, here is the temple, and he have a good hairstyle. This the whole thing has framed up his face to look a matured man.
This is the 7th month after my beard transplant surgery. My new beard has grown out very nicely here. As you can see, it goes well with my hairstyle and also it frames my face very well. I'm very happy with the results, and thank you to GLOJAS, Prof. Dato Dr. JasG and also his team for the amazing results and their extraordinary skills.